Hi all, welcome to JP Tutorials. Today we're gonna see how to create some small particles for your videos in Adobe After Effects. First, you create a new composition. I'm just naming it particles. And inside the composition, create a new solid layer. Now from Effects and Presets, you select the CC particle world and drag into it. And now you see this. So what you have to do is you change the type of this to shaded sphere, so you get like this, and later on you select one more effects and presets, a glow effect to it, and drag onto the particle solid layer, or you can double click also. Change the birth size to 0.03 and the depth size to 0, so you get like this. Now you can change the color according to your needs for whichever video you are using, maybe for some photos or some outdoor shoots. For the tutorial purpose, I'm selecting the yellow color. Now in the physics, you change the animation to direction axis or cone axis, and you get the effect like this. I'm changing that to direction axis. Now just play with the gravity to 0.1 and see what is happening, and velocity to 0, you get the effect only in the center of the screen. Now you play with the radius X in the producer and see how the particle animation changes. There's radius Y and Z also, so you can change according to where you need the particles to be. Position Z also you can be changed individually. Position Y, I'm putting it somewhere below the screen. And now the radius Y-axis, you can spread it according to your need, rather than all the particles being concentrated in one area. You can change that to get a feel like this. And also you can play with the longevity. Again, according to your need, you change the birth rate and the longevity also, and you get the changes like this. Again, another thing you can do is the velocity you can change to negative values, and you see the particles move from right to left instead. And there you go, you get some effects, and you can change the effects according to your needs. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching.